Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and localize the sleep option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is currently applied, 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose 2 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 2 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.